Juno and I'm here to talk about energy conservation.
We have 5 easy actions you can take right now to help save energy every day.
Then we'll provide 5 bonus actions that you can take this year to save a lot of energy and money over time.
Let's get started. Action number 1. Turn off lights and electronics when you leave the room and leave your house.
Action number 2. Use the sun to heat your home and block it out to keep it cool.
During the colder months, open the curtains and shades during the day to let the sunlight in, and during the warmer months, or on hot days, close the curtains or shades to block the sun and keep your house cool.
Action number 3. When you can, use energy-saving mode on electronics
and make sure that you have your phone and computer set up so that the screen automatically turns off when you're not using it.
Action number 4. Run your dishwasher and washing machines with full loads only. This will save a lot of energy over time.
Action number 5. Lower the temperature on your water heater. Many times water heaters are heating water to a level that we never use, so it ends up wasting a lot of electricity throughout the day.
Now for the long-term actions.
Action number 6. Switch your regular light bulbs to LED bulbs. This will save 75% or more energy over older light bulbs. We have a great video about LED bulbs. Make sure you check it out.
Action number 7. Set up a smart thermostat. This is not just great for the planet, but it will save 10 to 20% on your energy bill.
Action number 8. After washing your clothes, air dry them if you can. And if you can't, use wool dryer balls in the dryer. These are very inexpensive and can save up to 30% of energy per load. We'll provide a link in the description to some of our favorites.
Action number 9. Be sure to replace your furnace filters on a regular basis. This keeps your air clean and keeps your furnace running efficiently.
Action number 10. Make sure that your house is well insulated and check for air leaks. This will really save money over time.
And an extra bonus tip:
when your appliances need to be replaced, make sure that you choose energy-efficient replacements.
These may be a little more expensive to buy, but will end up saving you a lot of money in the long run.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to share what you learned with someone you know.
And remember to use your voice to spread hope and inspiration. Bye!